This is another way of dyeing wood with just regular old clothes dye. Start by building the box and seal the corners and the bottoms with sealant. Grab a pot and fill it up with some water. Bring to a boil until you start to see little bubbles at the top. Open the packet of dye, pour it in the box, pour in the lukewarm water, and submerge it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take it out and let it cure for 24 hours. After 24 hours, this is your end result. To top it off, pick any type of clear coating finish you would like, and your shelf will be ready for use.